Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss, or I will just give you my opinion about this product right here from Dr. Sensitive. So this is the product from Dr. Sensitive. This is a collagen plus vitamin C serum, and this is for brightening and wrinkle care. And in the back, I will read through it. I will use my glasses right here. Let's make it very quick. This is just a very quick review. The Dr. Sensitive Collagen and Vitamin C Serum is a fast absorbing serum that helps to brighten dull looking skin. It has collagen and vitamin C that work together for brighter and firmer skin, so it feels soft, smooth, and supple to touch. Directions. Kaya hakal ka mo magdali ta ba? Apply on face and neck 1 to 2 times daily. Use under moisturizer, sunblock, or makeup. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Caution: do not use on broken or irritated skin. If signs of irritation occur, discontinue use. Ingredients right here: I see aqua, glycerin, good, glycerin, propylene glycol, as long as there is collagen and aqua, good na ko guys. And this is about what? 0.34 fluid ounce. And expiration date here, July 2020. And paubos na siya guys. Oh, i-demo ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginamit, okay? In the beginning, kasi yung mapuno siya guys, very wasteful. Oo, talagang wasteful siya. Ewan ko lang ha, wala akong control sa kamay pag ito yung ginamit. Mas gusto ko sana yung siguro i-transfer lang sa spray siguro. Yung empty container parang mas maganda. Pero okay naman din, no? Save naman money. This is, I think it's 88 pesos now. When I bought it, it was like 99. Parang bumaba yung price nila, ewan ko. Basta, yun yung pagbili ko nito. And what are my thoughts about it? Wala siyang smell, at saka when you put it in your hand, kasi paubos na siya guys. So, ayan. Ano lang siya, transparent, lucid, very watery siya, mag-glide siya sa skin, ganyan. Very light to the skin lang siya, wala siyang amoy, and absorption niya matagal. I will wait for it for, I don't know how many minutes, like maybe 10 minutes, na talagang feel ko na nag-absorb talaga siya skin. Pag nagmamadali ako, I will use a fan in front of me para siya ma-absorb ka agad. Under makeup, hindi ko siya na-use kasi I'm a bit scared because brightening kasi siya, and ang type of skin ko, madali akong maging madali akong maging morena. Kaya, avoid using it daytime. Sa night ko lang siya ginagamit. Kaya, hindi ko siya na-try under makeup. What I noticed lang sa kanya is, totoo ang sinabi dito na smooth and soft and supple to touch. Yes. Pag morning, pag wake up ko, ay, grabe, napaka-hydrated ng skin ko. Parang nag-help naman din siya. Brightening, hindi masyado, hindi ako nakakita na obvious na nag-brighten talaga yung skin ko. But, pero kung naghanap ka ng mura, no, na serum, na kayang-kaya sa budget, go guys. Wrinkle care. Okay, wrinkle care, parang wala rin akong na-notice. Kasi para sa akin, pag wrinkle care, dapat siguro you have to use like in a good 3 to 6 months until you notice the difference. Para sa akin ha, kasi matured skin na ako guys, kaya yan ang thoughts ko. Pag bata ka naman, siguro madali lang yung progress or development ng skin mo. Pag matanda ka na, like me, iba yung natin, iba yung paraan or yung effect ba sa skin. Kasi matanda na yung lola nyo guys, iba tayo. So, sa akin, it will take me time. Kaya ito nga healing. Akala ko mag-help din ito. Hindi. Ano to na siya guys, almost a month na nandito pa rin siya. Kaya sabi ko about yung brightening, baka hindi masyado. No? Sa akin lang ha, sa akin. Matagal akong puputi. Hindi naman ako nagpaputi guys. Ang sa akin lang nito is yung softness na hindi mag-dry yung skin ko in the morning. I feel like baby touch. Yun ang gusto ko in the morning. Para naman mag-avoid ako ng wrinkle, no? Or added wrinkle. Meron ako maraming wrinkles, guys! Ito nga, ito. Deep na yan nga eh, you know? Wala pa tayong perang pang dyan, surgery. Yan. Ano na siya. Ang gusto ko lang is to avoid any more added new wrinkle appearance. So far, so good. Na-maintain ko naman yung mga skincare ko. Ito, I have no like irritation, no allergic reaction. So far, so good. For its price and for its usage, yes. I would recommend it, yes. For makeup, I cannot really tell you about my thoughts for makeup. Kasi hindi ko siya nagamit as a primer. But maybe one day, I will leave probably like a comment below or in my description box. I will just write a writing there kung for oily combo skin, if I use the serum, will it work or not? And I will give you my thoughts about it in my description box below. Pero later on na yan guys ha, i-update ko lang ito if you happen to watch this video maybe in the future. I will repurchase these products. Yes, kasi paubos na siya. Parang one day use na lang to. Ito na lang siguro sa gabi or for tonight kasi morning ngayon. And wala na ako. So this is my last usage. And yeah, gusto ko kasi mag-review guys na uubusin ko talaga yung product. Ganun ako. Gusto ko kasi ma-sure na mag-guarantee kung ano talaga yung effect sa skin ko. Okay? And so far, these are my thoughts. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. Again, thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye! Ano? Effective ka ba? Effective ka ba? Collagen. Sa mga matanda dyan, collagen.